Faroese stamps have aroused a great interest among stamp collectors. Every stamp has to tell a story, and the subjects are always related to Faroese history, nature, legends, all kinds of art, cultural history, both Nordic and local, as well as international themes. Faroese stamps have won several foreign prizes and awards, 3 times in China for Best Foreign Stamp Design, and readers of European magazines have voted for Faroese stamps on several occasions. We are proud of this recognition. It goes right into our hearts because the postage stamp is the mirror of a nation, a small glimpse into the soul of the country, its appearance, history, flora, fauna, life and manners. A small culture bearer that reaches far beyond national frontiers, right out into the remotest corners of the world. On a small piece of paper just a few centimeters across, it is possible to tell the history of this and that's always been the aim of the Faroese postage stamps. In recent years, we've become more conscious of this role of the stamp as a cultural messenger and have conceived our stamp issues accordingly. It's no longer enough to produce a stamp with a picture of the nation's great sons and daughters. We'd also like to say what such people did to make them worthy of appearing in the postage stamp gallery. And while we're about it, why not try to show examples of the internal landscapes of our artists, writers, and poets? This train of thought has already resulted in several thematic issues. We have put the internet to use with a view to supporting our stamp issues. Stamps.fo is our commercial site where you can buy our stamps.